what's up, Fitnessars friends? It is your trainer, Jonah, over at Fitnessars, coming to you with another episode of Crush Your Classes. Today's episode is going to be particular to a new service that we've just started providing through TrueCoach, which allows us to track our progress. And so we have some metrics that we're tracking across the board for everyone, but I want to give you a tip on how you can use it individually. The first thing is, if you notice at the end of every single workout, there's a section called Rate of Perceived Exertion or Effort. And that's for you. What you do in that box is you rate your workout from 1 to 10. This is not you giving feedback to the trainers, although we much appreciate any feedback. This is for you to keep track of how hard you're pushing yourself throughout the week. If the workout was super easy and you barely broke a sweat and you feel like you got gypped on your workout, that's a 1. If you are beat down on the ground, sweating through the floor and can barely move, that's a 10. The idea in here is that we need to understand we can't be at 8s and 9s and 10s every single day. You have to have some 5s and some 6s and 7s and maybe even a 2, 3, or 4 mixed in throughout the week in there. So this is a tool for you to start to understand yourself and your body and not push yourself to the wall every single day. It's great to do it on specific days, but it can't be every single day because you will beat yourself down and you'll run yourself into a wall. So start filling those in 1 through 10, and the idea is over the course of a week, you're kind of looking for this little snake-like roller coaster going from some 8s and down to some 5s and then maybe up to a 9 and then a 3. So pacing yourself, you can do back-to-back days, but make sure you bring it back down so that you can even yourself out. And that way you can stay more consistent with your training. Looking forward to the next tip. I'll see you then.